Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best spider control products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the CB80 Aerosol Insecticide. When it comes to ease of use, CB80 Contact Aerosol is tough to beat. The convenient aerosol formula and applicator nozzle allows for precise, no-mess application. At the same time, the powerful ingredients ensure fast knockdown and kill for various pests, including spiders, cockroaches, mosquitoes, wasps, gnats, ants, silverfish, and many more. Moving on at number 4, we have the EVEC016 EcoVia EC Botanical Pesticide. EcoVia EC is a research-based FIFRA 25(b) liquid botanical oil insecticide that contains essential oil to kill flying, sucking, and crawling insects. Because it is made from essential oils, this product is safe for application in and around homes and businesses, near and over water, and in numerous other areas. It's also safe for use in homes with children and pets. At number 3, we have the Natural Guard Diatomaceous Earth Insect Control. If you want a completely natural, non-toxic spider killer that works, Natural Guard Diatomaceous Earth is a good choice. A natural substance available in food-grade varieties, Diatomaceous Earth, DA, is made from the fossilized remains of diatoms, microscopic aquatic organisms. As a pest killer, DA works without chemicals. Instead, it permeates and dehydrates the delicate exoskeletons of insects and spiders, killing them within 48 hours of contact. It's also long-lasting as long as it's present and dry. In the attic or wall void, it could last as long as 10 years. At number 2, we have the Nisus 800,471 128 ounces Web Out. Looking for an eco-friendly spider killer that actually works? Look no further than Nisus Web Out. Made from a proprietary blend of vinegar and essential oils, Nisus Web Out kills spiders on contact. It also creates a protective surface film that helps prevent spider webs from sticking to treated surfaces in the future. When applied correctly, the formula creates a barrier that keeps spiders outside your home. Like the other products on this list, Web Out can also work as a contact pesticide and is effective at killing crickets, mosquitoes, ants, cockroaches, and other pest species. Because Web Out contains essential oils, which can stain porous surfaces, this product should only be used outdoors in areas such as railings and under eaves. It should not be used on vinyl siding, concrete, plastic, untreated wood, or surfaces painted with semi-gloss or flat paint. And finally at number 1, we have the Nature-Cide All-Purpose Insecticide. Made of 100% natural ingredients and a powerful blend of essential oils, this all-purpose insecticide kills insects on contact. It's suitable for use indoors and outdoors and will kill bed bugs, cockroaches, ants, wasps, spiders, and more. We love that this product is pre-mixed and ready to use, which means no measuring concentrate or mixing up a fresh batch when you need it. Additionally, it doesn't stain, isn't flammable, and won't leave a sticky residue behind after use. When used according to label directions, it's also pet safe. The potential downside of Nature-Cide All-Purpose Insecticide is that it doesn't last as long as other pesticides. Because it's made of all natural ingredients, you need to reapply it regularly, especially after watering your garden or after heavy rain. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon